Yeah, I'm Mr. Strika. General Woods, we learn all the tools in the wood shop. We do different projects, raise panels, and cutting boards, different projects. But yeah, basically it's a one credit class. We teach you how to do woodworking and we learn how to run all the tools in the shop.
Do you recommend General Woods?
Yeah, it's really fun and it's one of the best classes of the day.
What's your favorite part about it?
We get a lot of free time and